Top 6 Most Expensive Cars in History. 1. 1955 Ferrari 410 Sport Spider is one of the most coveted cars ever produced, with a price tag reaching up to $22 million at auction. Its racing pedigree and limited production run make it a rare gem among collectors. The car's powerful V12 engine and sleek design epitomize the golden era of Ferrari racing. Is a masterpiece of pre-war automotive design, fetching up to $7 million in recent auctions. Its aerodynamic, teardrop-shaped body and innovative design elements made it a standout of its time. This car's rarity and elegance have cemented its place as a high-value collector's item. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more great content. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and feel free to share this video with your friends. See you in the next one. 3. 1957 Ferrari 335 Sport Spider is another Ferrari classic that commands a high price, with some models selling for over $30 million. The 1957 Ferrari 335 Sport Spider is renowned for its racing success and engineering excellence, featuring a 4.0-liter V12 engine that delivered remarkable performance. Its combination of rarity and historical significance makes it one of the most expensive cars ever sold.
4. 1937 Talbot-Lago T150C SS Roadster
is known for its stunning design and limited production, which have driven its value to around $8 million. The 1937 Talbot-Lago T150C SS Roadster is celebrated for its luxury and performance, featuring a streamlined design that was ahead of its time. Its historical importance and exquisite craftsmanship make it a prized possession for collectors.
5. Bugatti La Voiture Noire.
The Bugatti La Voiture Noire, introduced in 2019, is one of the most expensive new cars, with a price of approximately $18 million. Known for its stunning design and 1,500 horsepower quad-turbo W16 engine, this car combines modern technology with luxury. Its exclusivity and cutting-edge features contribute to its astronomical price. 6. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta is a limited edition supercar with a price tag of around $17.5 million. Its distinctive design includes a carbon fiber rear wheel fairing and an advanced 7.3-liter V12 engine, offering exceptional performance. The car's exclusivity and bespoke features make it one of the most expensive and sought-after vehicles in the world.